Building a startup is like launching a rocket. Exhilarating, yes, but also full of unknowns. The fuel? Your application. It's your story, your vision, your ticket to the stratosphere. But in the crowded digital sky, how do you make your application truly shine? Introducing Toolsbots, your trusted ally in the startup journey. We're not just code slingers, we're rocket engineers. Rockets need speed, so do your users. We build applications that load instantly, keeping them engaged. We're more than just tech wizards. We're partners, working closely with you. We don't build applications in a vacuum. We understand your market and craft experiences that resonate deeply. We build a robust foundation that powers your app and keeps it running flawlessly. Whether you're launching your first minimum viable product or scaling an existing application, Toolsbots is here to fuel your growth. We'll help you. We don't just build, we analyze and refine. We'll continuously optimize your application to keep your users engaged and coming back for more. Your web application is your story. Don't just tell it. Launch it into the stratosphere with Toolsbots. Contact us today for a free consultation, and let's craft your digital launchpad together.